So yeah, finally I've opened it. So this is the GMS 2x2. This is my main right now. It's really good, but I don't really like the size of it as it's really small. But yeah, this is the MGC2 Elite. The packaging is really good, but I don't know how to open it properly. Okay. So many people said it's the best, and many people said this is the best 2x2. Some said the Walk, some said the Tengen. I was confused on what cube to get, but I just won this. I thought this was going to be the MGC normal, not the Elite but the normal MGC, but it turns out to be the Elite. And some accessories, so screwdriver, extra magnets, and a pamphlet, solving pamphlet, and yeah, the cube. Okay, this size is really good. The size is bigger than the MS, which is kind of small for me, but this is the perfect size. So yeah, let's move on to first turns. I just tried to do an EPOM on a 2x2. Okay, this feels really good. It has this kind of flaky soft feel, and I'm really enjoying it. Yeah, it's really good, and I love the glossy finish and the size of the cube. So let's just do a solve on it. .463. That's really good. That's my average, so nothing to complain about. But yeah, I really like this, and I'm sure this is going to be the main over my GMS, as the GMS is kind of unstable and fast, too fast, and the MGC Elite is really good. It's soft and has this really good feeling, and the size is also really good. And yeah, that's the only cube I can compare it to, as I don't have any other 2x2. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching, and bye.